Piano Tales, B2B and His Friends. Piano Tales are short music stories with lyrics that rhyme with melody and drawings that I created for my students, especially the young piano beginners. They follow the adventures of 5 heroes, 5 animals, which have their own character and a special relationship with each other. B2B, which stands for Blue Teddy Bear, Fuchsia the cat, Goliath the piglet, Spiky the hedgehog, and Webbe the frog. Through these piano tales, I teach my students different music elements and music theory, such as articulation, tempo, dynamics, finger exercises, musical forms. But the most important things that I see as advantages through these tales is that they learn how to sing, how to intonate correctly, because at the same time they're playing the same key on the piano. So even though they're not going to do it, they're not going to sing it perfectly from the beginning, but still it's a good exercise for the ear to orientate and synchronize the vocal cords eventually in the future to intonate correctly and get the right key. And the other important element is the one that they accompanying themselves while singing, they learn how to listen to the music. This is the most important thing for any musician at any age or level, to learn how to accompany, to learn how to listen. So let's get started with the first tale that I chose for today, with the three basic kinds of music articulation: non-legato, staccato, and legato. In non-legato, which means as if walking step by step, lifting our hand one key after another, we have Spiky the hedgehog, who enjoys his walk in a sunny day through a beautiful field. So let's play it.
Sun is shining, lights my long path. That's a good day, there's no doubt.
Number 2, staccato, as if touching a hot stove or a hot iron, or jumping on a trampoline or a pogo stick. In this tale, Webbe the frog and Goliath the piglet are competing who's gonna reach faster the finish line. Let's play.
Get ready, here we go. Boink, 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 I was first.
Number 3, legato, unified, connected, as if without any breaks between the keys, as if saying one word or one phrase with one breath. In this tale, B2B and Fuchsia are dancing a valse. Let's play.
Dance with me this short valse, I love the turns.
Something important I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video. When you play for the first time any piano tale to your student, make sure to really try to recreate this drawing, this picture that it is you're seeing with those 5 heroes, and especially with your speech. Be very accurate in musical terms. Like if there is a scene where somebody's shouting at each other, it's not like you're going to play fortissimo with your hands on the piano. You're going to have to also imitate that with your voice or emphasizing. And don't pressure your student to sing along if he doesn't want to, or he's shy, or he's afraid that they're going to make a mistake, or they don't want to listen to their voice. They'll try it alone at home when nobody's watching. And why the rhymed lyrics? It's for those students that struggle with rhythm. I noticed that when I transform a difficult rhythmical pattern or fast rhythmical note values through speech, if they say it, and they can say it because we first learn how to talk, and that is rhythm, then they can their brain orders their fingers to do it on the piano. So have a good start with the tales. I'll attach them in the video description, and have fun.